Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. Soglang तुमका देव बरो सांज दिवं कित्याक this is evening over here and एका लागून हांव आतां एक सॅन्डवीच करता जेचें नांव आसा गोवा बॉम्बे सॅन्डवीच म्हणून येता या गोवन चटनी सॅन्डवीच जी आमकां सगळे गोंयकारांची फेवरेट कित्याक ती आमकां म्हापसा मेवता. म्हापसा बस स्टॉपाचे ऑपोजीट टॅक्सी स्टँड आसा थिंगासरूच आमकां ही सँडवीच मेवता. तर हांव म्हाजे स्टायलीन करता तर तुमच्यांनी शिको येता. सो दिस इज इन माय स्टायल ऑफ गोवन sandwich. So what you need basically, the main ingredients for this is this chutney. Okay, so I will share you this link. You can take your normal coconut chutney, but this is something different. So what is the difference? Please go and check in the description box of this video. So this is like coconut chutney with addition of mint. So please do watch this. Okay, हे तुमच्यांनी ह्यो जो व्हिडिओ हांव डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्सान घालतली तो तुमी पळयात. तुमकां जाणा जावंक जाय जाल्यार हांवें कशी ही चटणी केल्या. ही तिखट न्हू, ओके, ही तीख चटणी न्हू. दिस इज इट्स नॉट व्हेरी स्पायसी चटणी. सो वी नीड दॅट. देन वी नीड सम बॉयल्ड, दिस इज बॉयल्ड beetroot, boiled potato. Beetroot's color came to my potato, so this is boiled potato. So how many sandwich you are making, accordingly you need all that. So I have taken, like, this is one beetroot, so around 3 sandwiches I'll get. So one beetroot boiled, one potato boiled, okay, and this is mix of this. So I've taken tomatoes, finely sliced tomatoes. Then this is cucumber, again finely chopped, and I've taken this you get this Chinese cabbage actually in the market, but if you don't want this you can add only our normal cabbage. So these all we need, and yes, our sliced bread. So even this is homemade sliced bread. So I will share you the sliced bread recipe also in the description box of this video. Please go and check, and you can make at home sliced bread, or you can buy it from the market. In Goa you no need, actually it's plenty. So let's start this. Okay, so no butter for this sandwich, so we have to apply this. Then you just place this all. How much you want to have, you place this all. Then potato. Then comes our cabbage, green normal cabbage. A beetroot, if you want to add more potato, so like how you want this, accordingly you do this. A tomato, and again, so if you don't want this up, what I am adding, only that what I showed you, that is also enough. And now for this we'll add again chutney. Put a little bit over here. So no tomato sauce and no butter, and then just, and this is it. Our sandwich is ready. and it's so yummy. And then like how they do, like they will cut this into 4 pieces when they are serving. So you can cut this into 4 pieces. And they will give us like this. So let's serve this. This is a bread plate only. And eat it. It's ready to eat, and it's really yum, and crunchiness is there, and healthy sandwich. It's very healthy. So hope you will. I will just take a bite, and it is very tasty. Hope you all will enjoy this Goan favorite chutney veg sandwich, I can say. So thank you so much for watching this, and hope you all will enjoy. Please check the link for this chutney in the description box. Thank you.